welcome back to my channel. So today's video is a clean with me video. Today I've decided to clean my kitchen with you guys. I normally clean my kitchen like every week like on a Saturdays. So not only my kitchen, like basically the whole house. So but I've decided to just do the kitchen alone because doing the whole house in this video is gonna take a whole day, okay? So we're gonna do that like next time in another video. I'll clean like the rest of the rooms with you guys, but today we're just gonna focus on the kitchen. And also, before I even get started, I need to tell you guys, I need to say happy Wednesday. I already knew that I was gonna upload this video on Wednesday because yesterday was Tuesday. I was meant to upload this video on Tuesday, but obviously I couldn't, you know. But yeah, this video is going up on Wednesday. Happy Wednesday, you guys. So without me talking too much, I'm sure you guys already know that I upload twice a week, which is Tuesdays and Fridays. Okay, so yeah, so without me rambling on, if you want to see how I clean my kitchen, then keep watching. So you guys, I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Cleaning like takes forever. Cleaning is so long, but I have kids, I have to clean, you know, we need to be clean. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you do, let me know down below in the comments. And also, if you're new here, hi, my name is Mary. You are most definitely welcome. I upload twice a week, which is on Tuesdays and Fridays. And if you like what you see, don't forget to subscribe, thumbs up, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye guys.